Welcome back. Today we're doing a deep dive on a product you've probably seen, well, everywhere in your feeds.
Oh, yeah. The QuietLab Plus.
That's the one. It's all over the place. And we want to cut through the marketing to figure out one simple thing.
Is it for real?
Exactly. Is the relief it promises actually worth the physical cost?
Right. Our mission here is to figure out if this is genuine relief or just a really, really good sales pitch based on real-world tests and reports.
Okay, so let's unpack it. The main claim is that it's this sleek, adjustable mouthpiece.
With a whopping 25 settings.
Yeah, promising quieter nights, better breathing. What's actually going on here?
Well, at its heart, it's a device we've seen before. It's a mandibular advancement device.
A MADI for short.
A MAD, right. And the science is pretty simple. It just physically holds your lower jaw slightly forward while you sleep.
Which opens up your airway.
Precisely. That little bit of space is enough to stop your tongue and the soft tissues in your throat from collapsing back.
And that's what causes the snoring vibration.
That's the root cause for a lot of people, yeah.
So the underlying technology is sound. But what about this model? Those 25 settings? I mean, that sounds a bit like marketing overload, doesn't it?
It does, and that's where the fascinating trade-off comes in. Look, the data shows it works. It's not snake oil.
So it does reduce snoring volume.
Measurably. It reduces the volume, the frequency, all of that. But the question really isn't, does it work? It's more like, at what cost?
And I'm guessing real doesn't mean universal here.
Not at all.
There must be types of snoring this is just useless against.
Absolutely. If your snoring comes from, say, chronic nasal issues or allergies.
Something structural.
Exactly. If it's not related to that soft tissue collapse, this device won't do a thing for you. And that's a huge caveat the ads sort of glide over.
Right. And this brings us to what seems to be the biggest hurdle from all the usage reports. Comfort.
It is the single biggest sticking point. The ads make it look so minimal, so sleek.
But the reality is different.
Very different. It's much bulkier than you'd think, and it takes up a lot of room in your mouth. There's a serious adjustment period.
And people report a lot of jaw soreness in the morning.
Yeah. It's the most common complaint. You wake up feeling like you've been, I don't know, clenching your jaw all night.
Because you kind of have been, right? It's holding it in an unnatural position.
All night long. It's held forward, out of its natural resting state.
And if we zoom out to the bigger picture, this isn't just about discomfort. There are long-term risks to consider.
That's the most serious consideration. Constant long-term use of any MAD can put stress on the temporomandibular joint.
Your jaw joint, the TMJ.
Your TMJ. So if you already have sensitive teeth or pre-existing jaw problems, this is a very hit or miss solution. It could make things worse.
So let's bring this all together for you listening at home. The QuietLab Plus. It's a legitimate device. It can work.
For the right person, yeah.
For the right kind of snore. But that relief is completely conditional.
You have to be willing to push through a pretty tough adjustment period.
And you have to be okay with that potential for daily jaw soreness. It is absolutely not a miracle fix.
No, not an instant solution by any means.
Which really leads to a final, pretty important question for you to think about.
Right. If a device can solve a serious problem, like loud snoring, but the price you pay is chronic daily discomfort, and maybe even potential long-term joint stress.
Is that relief really worth the trade-off?
Is it? That's something to consider before you click Add to Cart.